What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restart or turn off your Android phone after updating to the UI 7. So if you've been running the previous generation of Android on your Android phone, then you know that on the right hand side you press and hold the power button, and that would give you the option to turn off or restart your phone. But now once you press and hold that button, what it does, it actually triggers Gemini, and as you can see, and that's what basically happens. So it literally triggers the Gemini for you to use there. But in order for you to turn off and restart your phone after upgrading to the new UI 7, you have to do a swipe down from the top. Now once you swipe down from the top, there's two things happen. You can swipe down from the top on the left, or you can swipe down from the top to the right. And to restart your phone or to turn off your phone, you want to swipe down from the right hand side. So you will see at the top there where you have my speaker icon, my battery percentage, and so forth. If I swipe down from the top, you will see that it gives me the normal swipe down options here. And in the top there, you can see that it shows the power option. So I can press that, and it's going to basically show me the power button. It's going to show me the restart button. It will show me emergency call button, and also it's going to show me the medical info. So I can turn off my phone there, or I can restart my phone there by using these options. If you swipe down from the left, you will see options such as your notifications and so forth, and that's what you actually see there. So guys, if you want to know how to restart your phone after upgrading to UI 7, you want to go ahead and just simple swipe down from the upper right and choose that power button option, and that's how you basically do it on the latest version of Android. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.